Hi guys, this is another video from Mobile Arcades. This is obviously my claw machine. This is, what is it now, part 3? Part 4? I don't know, one of them. And I haven't really done much, as usual. I always say that in my videos. I need to order the claw and bits to go up the top. Basically, I've prepared all the wiring ready for when I get that. So up the top here, I've put in this strip of conduit stuff up here and covered it in some of this stuff, so sort of disguise it. And then up here are all the wires that come out of it. As you can see, I've color coded each one and also put on a machine number. Basically that's just in my arcade so that obviously you can see there's one on the candle lamp pusher as well, just so that it's for the keys, so I can mark up the keys with what number machine they're for, just so it's a bit easier to find them. So basically all these wires, each one means a different thing. They are in pairs, but it's a bit confusing to work them out. And then that's just going to go, there's a little hole in here that's going to go up, and then obviously wire into where obviously the claw will be like hanging here, and then it will move, you know, back and everything. Those wires then go down the back corner there, and if we look down the prize sheet you can see all the wiring running along there, and then that wiring comes into this bit down the side of the controls. Basically this is going to have a door on it down here with the coin back on it. I've got my coin back front made, just a bit of laser cut perspex, obviously with the coins in and then the rejected coins. Then I think I showed this before in my previous videos. This is obviously the cash box, and then we've got some random wires here. These before didn't have any wires going through them. They've now got a great big cluster of wires each, and then if I take this side piece off, then you can see inside, so you can see that we've got long strings of these wires like this, and obviously they've got little tags on just to colour code them for each of the different controls. So basically that will go up to the control panel, which is on here, and then they'll just wire into the buttons and the joystick that I'm going to use. They're just tucked in there for now, just so they're out of the way, and then that just fits back on. Basically that's mostly what I've done for now. I've still got to fit the top sign. I did try cutting a bit of perspex to go on it, but that didn't go very well, so I've got to find something to replace that. And obviously I've got to buy the claw and the grabber and whatever you want to call it, all that stuff. I found one for £50 with free postage, which I'm probably going to use. It's probably about the right size for this machine, but obviously it's a bit of an odd shape to fit in here. But yeah, I've also decorated it with like loads of 5s and 10s and stuff, just to make it look a bit more interesting. And obviously I've added some money prizes to the playfield, I guess you could call it. I also added in this electric point up here. I had to wire that in, just so that we've got a supply for the machine, because I'm running out of sockets, because there's so many machines in here now. It'd just be nice if I could get them all working, which I might end up doing, hopefully in time for the summer, and get some people playing in here. Basically that's it. I'm gonna do some more. I think I've got some more wiring to do ready for the claw bits. I've got to get a window in here as well. I've got a piece of glass that I'm hoping might fit. Either that or I've got some really thick perspex that I can use. And this is a reel of cable I had to buy. It's pretty heavy. It was 50 15 quid for that reel, and that's 200 meters, so that's going to do me well for the machine. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I know it's getting a bit boring at the moment. It's going to be more interesting when I get the claw in and see how it's all going to be wired up. I'm going to do more of a tutorial on how it's going to be wired up. I don't quite know that yet, but just have to see. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, comment down below if you want to, give me some tips or whatever to improve it, or I can help you with building your own. Thanks for watching. If you subscribe to my channel, I will appreciate it a lot, because I haven't been getting many subscribers recently, but down to me not uploading very much. So thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.